Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing absolutely fine. Today I'm here with the unboxing of the Mi Band 3, Xiaomi Mi Band 3. I purchased it from Mi Store and it retails around for the price of 1999 and got the black variant, only one variant available for the time being. Separate bands can be purchased. Okay, so we have this plastic film on the top. Let us remove it. Okay, so here very clean and simple layout. Okay, so at the back we have some specifications. The price is given as 2199, but it is for 2000 only. Contains one user guide, one charging cable, one band and one pill or the main watch, and some manufacturing details. So let's get into the box by pulling this tab. Okay, it's a nice presentation. First we have the watch itself, and next thing we have the band with the foam, and the rubber material is similar as the Mi Band 2. Next is the user manual, which tells us about the functioning, the various buttons, screen and the heart rate sensor, how to insert in the band, starting it on, and installing the Mi Fit app, and to turn it on and pair it. It's a pretty basic setup, so let's get right to it. Also we have the little charging cable, flat type. So here we have the band itself. Let us remove it. Okay, so here's watch. Okay, let's remove the plastic. Oops, here it is. Okay, it's quite glossy and shiny. It looks pretty great in such small compact form. Here are the golden contact bands, the heart rate sensor, a touch capacitive button, and here's the band itself. We need to put it from above, not like the previous version from where which we used to put it from bottom. Next, well, it's look pretty great. Let's now open the Mi Fit app and pair it. You need to turn on Bluetooth and select band. It will automatically detect the watch. Allow for various permissions. Also allow to run the band app in the background so that it may sync all the data. The battery was dead, so that's a bad thing, but let me get it charged. It is completely dead, not even little charged. It is completely discharged, so I need to charge it and wait for it to get. Yeah, still no response. I need to wait more. Okay, I think now it's ready. Yeah, it came to accept it. Okay, so it's pairing. Okay, it is paired. The band is not charged again. It is telling us about the various features, the swipes, the presses, the long press, and how to wear. Okay, so let's wait. Okay, so the band is completely on. We can see on one tap the screen wakes. On a vertical swipe, the band unlocks. Now on horizontal swipes, we get steps, distance, and calories burned, battery percentage, and on vertical scroll we get heart rate, notifications, and more options in which we can get stopwatch, silent feature, find my device, various screen faces, and lot spot. So I think that's a pretty great watch, and I'll see you with the review. Bye bye.